Hey everyone, welcome to the Acres of Timber CRM tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about how to upload contacts into your CRM. So first things first is you're going to navigate here on this left-hand side bar and you're going to expand this contacts menu. Then you're going to go to contacts/smart lists and that should bring you to a page that looks just like this. And so if you've already been adding folks to your list, you might see a bunch of names here, and if you haven't yet, you might see 0. That's okay. Uploading will not impact anyone who you already have in there. If you have them in your CSV file, it may do a duplicate, but that's easy to fix. So then you just hit import contacts here, and it's going to ask you for that CSV file. So we can drop that in. A CSV file is very similar to an XLS file or an Excel file, so you may need to change the file name, or you may need to do a different variation of export to get that CSV, but it should be just a standard spreadsheet essentially. And so it sees the fields that we have in the document, and it's asking me if I want to keep all of those same fields. I can change things up, but I think I'm going to just leave those as is for now. And then it's going to show a preview. Now, I didn't have my first or last name or company name in. I only had the email, so this is accurate. If you have the first and last name and all of those different things in there, that should populate. And then on this page, I always suggest to just keep this recommended setting. But if you know that there's an existing contact and you don't want it to be modified, or you want to overwrite data that you have, you can do that. But if you leave it selected here, the duplicate will just fill in any fields that are empty, and it will leave the fields that you have in your CRM alone. So if you know that the information in your CRM is the most accurate, more accurate than the information in your XLS document, or your CSV document, then you're definitely going to want to select this. But if you know for a fact that the information in your CSV document is more up to date than the information that's already in the CRM, you can hit update them with data in the spreadsheet, including fields that already have a value. All right, and so then we just do our smart import and hit done. And now it will have uploaded the new set of contacts.